El Cappuccino, if you want this championship back, you're gonna have to fight me at fan submission. Summer breakout.
I'm the MWE champion, you all know that, and today I will go face to face with my challenger for fan submission summer breakout, the winner of the fan vote, Sonido Jr.
Is here. I won the fan vote. I had a celebration last Wednesday, and now the fan submission summer breakout. That championship will be mine. I climbed the ladder, and I'm climbing the ladder, and I'm gonna win the championship.
Sonido Jr., I wanted to start by saying I'm actually glad you won. I'm glad you won the fan vote because if there's anybody in this entire roster that I would want in an Extreme Rules match, it would be you. I saw what you did with Blake. I saw you climb a ladder, and I saw you jump off. I saw you do it twice. You tried to kill Blake just like I killed Pac. But the difference is you didn't get the job done because I just saw Blake. He's still here. Urban's not here. Ian's not here. And the champion, he's right here.
That championship will be mine, though, at the pay-per-view. You already know. You just said you watched our match. You saw what I did to Blake. I've seen what you did to Urban, Ian, Golden Man, all those people. I know your background. And at the pay-per-view, that Extreme Rules match, it'll be killer versus killer. I have a cold-blooded mindset, and a championship will be around my waist.
You're not willing to do what I'm willing to do, and I think everybody knows that. You're a fun-loving, goofy guy. You dress up like a clown, and you think you can take the belt from me? You will never be champion in your entire life, just like your father was never champion, and nobody in your stupid bloodline will be a champion.
Okay, you disrespect my legacy. You disrespect my lifestyle. You even disrespect my mask, what I wear, what I live. The championship will be mine. You're going down. That's right. You will be in the ground at the end of our match.
When I put your head in a chair, this time, it's not gonna be personal. It was personal with Ian. It was personal with Urban. It wasn't really personal with Golden Mad, but nobody cares about that stupid loser. But it'll be even less personal with you because you're just the first of many defenses. I don't care about you. I didn't choose you. The fans chose you. And you're gonna let all of them down.
You're going down. The Enigma will be champion.
Enter the future.